your channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried lamb with green onion or scallion. Chinese name called葱爆羊肉. The main ingredient we need a small piece of lamb, boneless and skinless, and probably close to 6 ounces. And we also need a small bunch of green onion or scallion. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion or green onion. This scallion and green onion are already washed and peel the dead skin. I just cut the root off. Cut the root off. And for this scallion, we will cut like this. We cut it like this, and just cut it. The shape will be like the final shape will be like this, and this long is this shape, and then we just cut it. This is the scallion we get. Okay, cut the lamb. This lamb we get it from the freezer, and we just let it thaw probably for 5 to 10 minutes. We don't need to totally thaw, because when it's not thaw, between thaw and frozen, and it's easy for us to cut it. Try to cut it slice, so we can cut it very thin. We don't want it very probably like this. Usually you bought from store, they already use a machine already slice it. They roll it like a lamb roll it, meat roll it. But when at home, we need to wait it between the frozen and the thaw. So we just be very careful to cut it. Cut it very thin. If it's hard for you to cut it, maybe you just wait a little longer. Just be very careful. Okay, you also can cut the meat like this, so you can hold it in the hand like this. Move your finger up. Don't want to cut your finger. Just go down. Just get a piece of meat. If it's so hard to cut, you need to let it thaw a little while. Just be very careful. Don't cut your finger. Just off like this. Lift your finger up and put it here. And cut and push it. Just put it here. Just cut it. Just be very careful. Don't cut your finger. So this is the lamb we get. We just slide it to this piece, small pieces. Slice it, thin pieces of lamb. Turn the stove. High fire. Put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Why too much? Press the pot. We can leave a scallion to or green onion to see if the oil is ready. Right now the oil is still not ready. We just wait. Okay, when the scallion start frying, we add the lamb into it. Don't add the water into it, just add lamb. And fry it. Just fry until the lamb's color changes to white. Mostly change to white when we do the next step. When the most lamb become white, we add a scallion into it, a green onion, and fry it. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. This is soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Okay, we try scallion. Scallion is cooked. We try the meat. The flavor is good. The meat is very tender and juicy. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove. So the fried lamb with green onion or scallion, Chinese name called葱爆羊肉. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.